The doors of Jamaica's most luxurious development, the Pinnacle, was opened on Sunday, September 7th for an exclusive open house event, and trust me, it was nothing short of spectacular. From the moment the guests walked in, the tone was set: elegance, sophistication, and a bold vision of the future of Jamaican real estate. Potential buyers and investors were guided through meticulously designed spaces with interiors that blend modern architecture with Caribbean warmth. From the panoramic views of Montego Bay when on the balcony to experiencing these perfectly curated spaces, this isn't just the good life. This is the best life that anyone can live anywhere in the world, and this is happening right now in Jamaica. Welcome back to Good Life in Jamaica. Today we're here in Redding, Montego Bay at the open house event to be held here at Jamaica's tallest and most luxurious development, the Pinnacle. If this is your first time on the Good Life in Jamaica YouTube channel, do remember to tap that subscribe button and tap the like button so that you don't miss out on all the latest infrastructural developments taking place on the beautiful island of Jamaica. And here we have now arrived on the location. We are on the grounds of the Pinnacle, and we're going to make our way over to the sales department. That tower you're now looking at is the Swallowtail Tower, and it has now reached the 22nd floor. And it is just one of the 4 towers that will go up here on the grounds of the Pinnacle. And we're now here at the commercial and shopping center section of this development. Let's head inside to learn more about this iconic development. We entered this luxurious office space and head over to the beautiful model of the Pinnacle development. The beautiful estate features 4 28-story towers and 15 exclusive ocean view villas, making it one of the tallest and most iconic residential developments in the entire Caribbean. With expansive glass facades in place of heavy concrete, the design opens each residence to sweeping views of the ocean, lagoon, and mountains. The Pinnacle is not just about height and scale, but about harmony. It was designed to capture Jamaica's light, breezes, and beauty, creating a living environment that feels connected and alive. And it was such a lovely experience to see this model right before going on the tour of the model units. So the entire Pinnacle development is set on a 17.5 acre peninsula along Montego Bay's Redding coast. It is nestled within a protected nature reserve. Every design choice reflects a commitment to balance and sustainability, from the positioning of buildings to follow the sun's daily path to natural ventilation that channels sea breezes throughout. And this development is full of features and amenities that can be categorized as just luxurious. Okay, so this is the path that we'll take behind the commercial center to view the model units. And finally we made our way over to the Swallowtail Tower, now under construction, and we'll be heading to the 3rd floor to view the model units. And trust me, I was just filled with joy that now I am finally on the Pinnacle development and we are actually in the tower, and that we will finally view the model units. Construction is in full swing as this Jamaica's tallest building, the Pinnacle, rises to the 28th story. Knowing that this could be possibly a once-in-a-lifetime event, we enjoyed every bit of this tour of the Pinnacle. Let's head over to the model units and prepare to be amazed.
Montego Bay has long been the place where the world comes to play, invest, and call home. So on Sunday, September 7th, the doors to a new symbol of progress opened wide. The Pinnacle's open house evening gave us a glimpse into the future of Montego Bay skyline. Imagine waking up every morning in this one-bedroom unit and floor-to-ceiling windows that open to views of the turquoise Caribbean Sea. Or sipping your evening wine while the sun dips behind the hills of St. James. Each unit was crafted with imported finishes, modern appliances, and smart home technology, making daily living not just convenient, but seamless. The internal space of this one-bedroom unit is 979 square feet and features engineered timber flooring or porcelain tiles to hallway, kitchen and living room, painted plasterboard ceilings, walls, skirtings, and architraves. Timber internal apartment doors, engineered timber floors to the bedrooms, built-in wardrobe with sliding doors in master bedroom. Category 5 hurricane-resistant glass sliding doors on balconies and terraces, and other amazing features. The kitchen features bespoke, contemporary kitchen with soft closed doors and drawers. Quartz workshop, under-counter stainless steel sink with mixer tap, quartz counter-to-ceiling kitchen backsplash, with finish appropriate to the style of each pallet, energy-efficient ceiling downlighters and under-cabinet lights, and other features. The fully ultra-luxurious bathroom features contemporary sanitary ware, soaking bath with shower and glass shower screen, thermostatic bath rain shower mixer shower head, semi-inset basin with mixer tap, quartz vanity top with storage. It also includes dual flush WC with concealed cistern and soft close seat and porcelain tiles and composite timber wall treatment to full extent of walls and floor, among other features. The security is of top quality with 24-hour concierge service, bespoke concierge desk to entrance lobby, secure electronic access control to the buildings, CCTV system in public realm and building entrances, multi-locking system to front door, video door entry system, interconnected main supply smoke heat detection system with battery backup, sprinkler system in each home, and 24-hour security at entrance to the Pinnacle estate. We also looked at the 3-bedroom unit under construction. our way to the 18th floor to see the amazing and breathtaking views that the Pinnacle has to offer. And it did not disappoint. This is truly the pinnacle of modern luxury living. Overlooking the stunning Montego Bay Marine Reserve, the private Pinnacle community is home to the 4 elegant apartment towers, villas, sports and leisure facilities, shopping and restaurants. It will set a new standard for Jamaica. Close to Sangster International Airport and the center of Montego Bay, the Pinnacle sits astride its own peninsula stretching into the lagoon with views across the bay itself and beyond to the Caribbean Sea. It will simply be the best address in Jamaica.